Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning Survivor by Zach Williams. It's going to sound something like this. Pretty much the whole song. Okay, but we're going to break it down step by step to get to that strumming pattern. We're also going to look at that intro that's kind of the mandolin or something playing that. For those of you a bit more advanced, and we're also going to look through a picking pattern for the song, which is going to sound, if I do it in the chorus, it's going to sound like this. Now I'm alive and running in, rescued from the grip of sin. God, your love came crashing in and pulled me out of the fire. I'm a survivor. Benjamin, you back, dude. Man, it's like 12 o'clock there right now. 1 o'clock. You're crazy, man. Stop watching, go to bed. Okay, but anyway, it's so nice to have you guys here so late at night. This is actually a live lesson for those of you watching the recorded one. But anyway, so let's go through the basic chords. It's capo on the 4th fret, and we're using the G chord, so just your basic Wonderwall chords, as I would call them, from the song Wonderwall, but used in all worship music now. This G, and I like to play the G without this finger so that you can have it open to do other tricks. There's so many things you can do with your index finger if you keep it open. So keep it open and mute the 5th string with your middle finger. So they have it there. Okay, so that opens up a world of possibilities. And then D, you could do D and mute the top string with your thumb so that you can strum all the strings, or you could do D/F sharp. Okay, we're going to do the strumming in a little bit. Let's just do the chords finished, and then E-7. I should actually just show you guys this. E-7. And then C. Okay, C add 9. C add 9, remember to mute the top string, very important. Okay, so the bulk of the song is just G, D, E minor, C the whole time. Except in the just after the chorus, you see there. I've got the wrong view again. Okay. Just after the chorus, you got G, D, and then it starts again G, D, E minor, C. So G, D, E minor, C, that's like the 4-chord progression, the most famous 4-chord progression, and that repeats throughout the song. The strumming has got this, you're kind of feeling it like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Oh, this chord you need to know. So if you're playing G, D, this is a really nice one to know. It's a D sus4/F sharp, but you can play it as a substitute for the D. Okay. So the strumming pattern goes like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. When I was a lost soul searching, you were the ground beneath my feet. Okay, I think you guys got the strumming. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Okay, so now we're just going to have this view, and I'm just going to show you the parts. But I don't think we should play through it. I think we're fine. Yeah. What might be difficult to sing is that when I was a lost soul searching. When I was a lost soul searching, you were the ground beneath my feet. I was a blind man begging, you were the eyes that I could see. The smoke was love, you were the air that I could breathe. Give me hope, give me something to believe. Now I'm alive. again when all I can see. Okay, and then the bridge is just the same. You're my guide, you're my fighter. Just down strums, down, 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 down. And then you got it. It's pretty simple. For the advanced part where you do that that the mandolin does, you just put this, it's a G major 7, so you take this finger down, take your pinky off, put your first finger there, and then you do this. Oh, that was... Then with the D the same. Let me just listen to the original quickly so I can see if I'm right. Oh. Haha, but that's pretty impossible. So, you just kind of do the first part of the melody and let the mandolin or the whatever instrument's doing that do the rest. Okay, that's it. I think we're ready for the next lesson. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Okay, we're back to the live stream. What's up everybody? Hey Benjamin, hello Aegon, hello Carl, whoever's still watching. Glory, I think you're still watching, MKZ. Okay, what are we doing next? This is our set list. Boom.